Hi everyone, it's Theme Thursday. Thank you so much, Yvonne. We love Theme Thursday. And I've got my 3 toddler girls doing it today. And we are doing birds because we love birds. I spend hours watching them in my garden. I just love them, and I hope you enjoyed the footage I put on the beginning of this. You saw my gorgeous Frances in her Peter Rabbit dress, which has got lots of little birds on it. All sorts of birds sitting on posts and all sorts of things. And she's holding this beautiful little doll we got from our dear dolly friend Sonia, and she's going to call it Sonia. Because I think it'd be nice to call it Sonia, so we're going to do that. And you saw Ginny earlier on, and she hasn't got any birds on her dress, but she's holding this beautiful blanket that my dear friend Lucy sent me, and it's got the most beautiful birds on it. Absolutely beautiful birds. I love this blanket. I don't use it much because it's so pretty. I like to use it as a prop rather than wrapping the babies in, but it's really nice. But Ginny's looking after that for me. And in the middle we've got Zoe. And Zoe is wearing a pale pink romper, which is corduroy. This is a one from Bowden. And it's got ducks and chicks on it. And what I did was I picked out the yellow again, like her sister, and she's got some yellow bow socks on and a yellow headband, which, if I come a bit closer, you can see has got birds on. A little bird. Can you see it? A little yellow bird. Really pretty. I think I got that from Antonia. Do you remember Antonia when she used to be on? I really miss her channel. I hate it when people go. I really do. But anyway, sorry, I'm sucking a mint because I just had a cup of coffee and it was a bit strong, and I can't bear coffee when it's strong. I made it, so I don't know why I made it strong. Having one of those mornings. Anyway, there's my 3 toddler girls taking part in Theme Thursday Birds. Yes, I know Joseph. Joseph's reminding me that he has got a top with fire engines on. But you did Theme Thursday last week. Yes, you did, Joseph. You keep on the phone. He's on the phone talking to his twin Kai. And it's so lovely to see you back, Holly. Mwah! So lovely to see you back and sounding so positive, my darling. Anyway, there's my 3 toddler girls taking part in Theme Thursday, and you all have a good rest of your day. Love you, ladies and gentlemen. Mwah!